So you must have this tab on your ribbon, developer. So I'm assuming that maybe in case you don't have it, how do you do that? So you can come to File, then you go to More, then you go to Options. So when you go to Options, you see Customize Ribbon. So when you get to this Customize Ribbon, you see this developer. So check this developer and say OK. So you should have it on your tab now. Good. Like I said, what we want to do, imagine I want to more like do a financial something format whereby we don't have the financial here and some other variables. Just for an example. Alright, so I'm going to come here, record macro. I'm on developer already. Then come here, record macro, and I'll say record macro. I have to give it a name. So let's call it practice. So on this practice, where do I want to store it? So you want to store it on this workbook. This workbook means it can only apply on this workbook. If I say personal macro workbook, it can apply on any of my workbook. So let's say this workbook, and I'll say, okay, good. So any step I'm taking now, the system is actually taking the recording. So let's start. Let's assume I want to give it a financial year 2021, right? Then financial year 2022, good. So let's say up to 2026, from 2022 to 2026. So on this other part, maybe we want to have cost, uh, maybe all this financial time. So let's say cost, let's say profit, let's say EBIT, let's say EBITDA, right? So let's call this uh, profit before. Let's do it out. Let's call it out. Don't mind. Right. For example, this is just an example. So after this, maybe I want to give it a little format. For example, I want to give it a borderline. For example, okay, I want to bolden this. Then if I want to put this, maybe I want to put this in a table. For example, or let's just leave it this. Let's assume this is what I want. Then I want to come here. I want to remove the grid lines. So let's assume this is what I need to keep doing each time I need to prepare a report, for example. So do I need to start doing this over and over? So that is why I'm recording this map so that the system can keep that process for me. Okay. So in order to also avoid because sometimes I might click inside and I might click outside and the system might not understand. So I have to check this use relative reference. Then from there I'll stop recording. So now that I've stopped recording, let me open a new sheet. Okay. Now that I've opened a new sheet, I can come to my macros. So in this case, now I'll come to macros. Then I'll click on this practice. I'll say run. So can you see that this was actually successful? Okay.